Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for the week ending Friday, January the 24th, 2020. In today's video, I'm going to show you more premium service chart screenshots and show you how the trades played out or not. Okay, so looking at a screenshot showing you exactly what to do, where to enter, and where to put your stop is a pretty easy way to see trade setups. And of course, this is posted, all of it's posted way ahead of time in advance so our members can take advantage of the setups. And just so you know, sometimes these setups are posted during the trading day because they become a setup after Darko has recorded the pre-market analysis video. Now listen, we have a free webinar next week where I'm going to go into more details about the premium service charts as well as some other very cool things. Okay, Darko is now adding another awesome feature that's going to be super helpful for our members, and I'm going to go over that in the webinar. There's a link to join this webinar in the text below this video. And I have to say that if there's ever a webinar that would be worth attending, this is it. I think you'll see that the screenshots of our trade setups have taken this service to a new level. The addition of the premium service charts is definitely the very best thing that's ever been added to the Coach's Corner service. And by the way, this past Wednesday, I posted a video showing more trades from earlier this week, from Monday to Wednesday. If you didn't see that, there's a link in the text below this video where you can watch it. So let's see what else has happened since Wednesday. Okay, so let's take a look at the trade setups for the 23rd and for today, the 24th, as I'm recording this. And this would be a good illustration of how to use these premium service charts. So on our main page here, we just go to Premium Service CC Premium Members page, click on Premium Charts, and here's the day trades, the swing trades, and the support resistance. And here's the 23rd. The first one Darko showed here is the bonds. And what he was looking for was for price to come down. This was a great level of weekly and daily support. And I can tell you, I don't have a bond chart in front of me here right now, but it didn't come down. In fact, it actually started going straight up. So good call. We just didn't get filled. And that happens, a lot, or not, I wouldn't say a lot, but fairly often. You just don't get filled. Here's where you put your stop. Here's where you buy. Pretty easy. Just look at the chart, right? What else did we have on the 23rd? We had the Euro New Zealand dollar pair. So what happened here? We had a really good level of resistance, weekly, daily resistance. Look for a pattern short, and that was it. Okay, so what we do is we go to our chart, which was the Euro Kiwi right here. This is where when Darko was recording this in here, and we never got an actual pattern. Like by the time we had a swing break, which was when price broke here, we just never came back up to get filled. And what a nice move down it was. It's frustrating when that happens, but amateurs will go start chasing something or changing their game plan because of one event like this. You can't do that. I mean, you can do anything you want, but that's a mistake. Okay, and so you just miss trades sometimes. It just happens. That's trading. What else happened on the 23rd? We had the U.S. CAD pair. Interesting one here, looking for a pattern to sell. Okay. So our patterns are like an ACAT, Advanced Candle Action Trade, or a swing break, or a rotation, or a set and forget. And in the case of the USD CAD pair, which is right here, this is where Darko said, look for a sell. Now, we didn't see a clear pattern on this. One of our members, at least one anyway, I know, took this trade here and sold it right here, actually right at the top here, and had this move down. Pretty nice. I didn't call it a trade for us, but after it did this, the next day, the 24th, this was a really nice swing break down here when it went down below here and closed down here. And we were looking for a sell up into here on the 24th. I'm jumping a day ahead now because the other trades were on the 23rd. And this is where we were looking to sell. As you can see, price has never made it up here. It's getting later in the day. We won't be taking that trade. Okay. What else we got here? Let's go back to our... Okay, we'll get rid of this. This is the 24th. What else did we have on the 24th? There's that US CAD trade I just showed you. We had the CAD yen. Here's the CAD yen. In this trade here, the buy is down into here. A lot of profit potential in it. Darko in the PMA video was clear that he didn't want to see this go much higher. He wanted to get filled right away on this. So on the CAD yen, if we look at it, it's right here. Now this is where he was looking to buy in here, and price did go a little bit higher, and it came down as I'm recording this. It actually just got hit down into here, and some members have taken this trade, and it's starting to head back up in here. We're going to manage this one quite carefully because it's Friday, the end of the week, and all that kind of thing, and we'll see what happens with it. As you can see, price did go a little bit higher here, so as per the pre-market analysis video, you may have passed on this trade, but there it is, all set up by just a really, how easy is it to look at this? This is where you buy, this is where your stop goes, and away it goes. So that was those. Oh, we had another one on I want to show you one more here. We had a losing trade. This is on oil. Oil was at a really good level of weekly and daily support. We're looking for a pullback into this level here. And if I go to my oil chart, this one was a losing trade. This was the level that we're looking to buy at, and it just went straight down. Nothing you can do about that. That's a loss. Okay. So what do we have? No fill on those trades on the 23rd. Fine. See, we don't chase anything or have a fear of missing out. That's what rookies and amateurs and stage 1 traders do. I'm not here to just show you a bunch of winning trades. I'm showing you the reality of trading, taking a professional and disciplined approach. We show all the trades, win, lose, or draw. If you don't have the patience to wait for clear setups, in the long run, you're going to lose. Okay. In fact, if you get antsy for a trade and you just take something and even if you win, in fact, if you win, it's one of the worst things that can happen to you because now you just got rewarded for impatience. And trust me, that won't last. Okay. As I keep saying, these trades are all recorded and posted ahead of time. We can't fake it. So the last few days, not much going on for us except a loss on oil. And we'll see what happens with that CAD yen. But for the first few days of this week, we had some smashing trades and overall a very nice week. So as mentioned, I'm doing a free webinar. It'll be next Wednesday, January the 29th, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. That's New York time. And I'm going to go over all of the premium service chart trade setups for the week live with everyone. We'll look at what was posted and how those trades turned out, win, lose, or draw. Okay? I obviously have no idea what's going to set up or how it's going to turn out, right? So there's no hiding anything. The trades will be posted for all to see. There's a link to join the webinar in the text below this email. So I hope you can see the incredible value of seeing these setups on our premium service charts, just like getting that visual picture. It just makes the trade setups super clear for our members. I plan on showing you a lot more of these trades with these premium service charts. So be sure to follow us on YouTube, and when you do, click that little bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you like this stuff, be sure to give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button and leave any comments or questions. Thanks everyone. Hope you enjoy your weekend and you have a great trading week ahead. And we hope to see you at the webinar on Wednesday. Thanks again. Take care.